All right, so finishing up, like I said, we just got to count from our pre-image coordinates to the line of reflection, see how many units it is, and then do the same thing on the right side of that line of reflection. So L is 1 unit away, so L prime is going to be 1 unit away. J is 1, 2, 3 units away, so J prime is going to be 1, 2, 3 units away. K is 2 units away, so K prime is going to be 2 units away. So again, just like to connect the coordinates here. Yep, looks like a mirror image. So for this one, now I just have to find the coordinates for J prime, K prime, and L prime. So for this, J prime is going to be 7, 1. All right, K prime is going to be 6, 3. And then L prime is going to be 5, -2. All right, so I want you guys to try number 6. It's pretty similar. X equals -1. So again, line of reflection is going to be here at x equals -1. Okay, so that purple line right here. Okay, so plot those coordinates and reflect it over. And then I'm going to do number 8 with you guys. So for number 8, it has triangle MNP. All right, so guys, we have our coordinates there for triangle MNP. And then this time we're reflecting over the line y equals -5. So for this one, we got to find -5 on the y-axis. So we're going to go down 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So -5 is right there. So what we're going to do is draw that line of reflection at -5. All right, so that is our line of reflection, that burgundy line right there. So now we just have to count and plot our points. So n is 1 unit away, so n prime is also going to be 1 unit away. P is 1, 2, 3 units away, so 1, 2, 3 units away is going to be P prime. And then M is again 3 units away, so M is going to be 3 units away from M prime is going to be 3 units away from that line of reflection. So we just connect the dots there, create that triangle, and even though it's not a great picture, it looks similar. Okay, we know that's a rigid motion, so we are good to go. Now we just need to find the coordinates for M prime, P prime, and N prime. So if we look there, M prime is at -6, -2. N prime is at -1, -4. And P prime is at -2, -2. All right, guys, so try number 7. So try numbers 6 and 7 on your own. Check your answers on Canvas. This one's at y equals 2, so we're going to count up 2, and then your line of reflection is going to be right here, okay? So moving on to reflecting over the lines y equals x and y equals -x. I think these are a little bit trickier because it's a little bit different. So just to get you guys started, the line y equals x, okay, it's like y equals x plus 0. So if I am drawing that line on the graph, our y-intercept is 0, okay? And that line goes, the slope is 1, so we're going up 1 over 1, so rise over run, so up 1 over 1, so it's going to be right here. It's going to be that line right there, and it's going to continue right like that. So again, it's just a line that starts at the origin and has a slope of 1 over 1. So as always, we're going to plot our points here. All right, guys, so we have our triangle there plotted. And for this one, so there is, if you haven't noticed before, there's definitely certain patterns that we have when we're reflecting, okay? So I think sometimes for any other problem that you guys have done, it's always going to be a straight line, a horizontal or vertical line. So it's pretty easy to count, all right? And I think that's why I just try and prefer that method almost. But for the line y equals x, it's a diagonal line. So